we're at Council Bluffs. Alright, we're going down for what? What the hell? Okay, 11 works. Now we're not moving. There we go. Steakhouse isn't open yet. There's a view of the property, and look, I don't know if you can see, but it's totally flooded. I don't know where the water is supposed to be, but it's like all underneath the garage. Anyway, there's, I guess you can kind of see Nebraska off there. I don't know where the bridge is, but right here, this is Iowa and Council Bluffs. We're like right on the border of Nebraska and Iowa. Interesting. The emergency fire operation sign is on there. That's loud. Oh well. 500 feet per minute. These are gearless. It's purple out here. That will be it.